Kindleberry time!
Ready for the library?
Yeah, let's go!
Ever wonder why the library is so still? Is it magic? Is it quiet? Is it just a thrill? Books are sleeping on the shelves, tucked in nice and tight. We walk on tippy toes, left and then the right. Shh, can you hear the story? Zip your lips and turn the key. Walk like a cat, soft and small. The quiet quest is for you and me. Two hands for a book, like a precious little prize. We look with our hearts and we look with our eyes. No running, no jumping, just